What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call One and Hello Direct, helping people do their business better. So a YouTube viewer asked the question of whether or not the HD voice impacted the quality of voice in the Poly Voyager 4300 series. I have HD voice turned on, and so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 4320 and you had HD voice turned on. And I am currently in a quiet environment. Okay, so I have turned off HD voice, and so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 4320 and you had HD voice turned off. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the blender, and I'm going to hear, or we're all going to get to hear, whether or not it impacts the noise canceling capability. So right now you saw that we turned it off, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on this blender. All right, so that blender is running, and so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 4320 and there was a blender running in the background and HD voice is turned off. Okay, so now the blender is running, HD voice has been turned on, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the HP Poly Voyager 4300 in this environment with HD voice turned on. All right, so there you go. There's just a quick test. I can't wait to go back and listen to hear if there is any difference in the voice quality with HD voice on versus HD voice turned off. All right, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.